I'm now at the Hughes Gap, and there is this nice little uphill ahead of me. It's about 5 miles or 8 kilometers uphill from here to Roan Hike Knob, and that's what I've been doing the rest of my day. There's a shelter near the top, and I might be staying there, or if I have some miles in my leg, then I go a little bit further, but we will see what this uphill will do to me. There are some little bit dark clouds on the sky. There is a slight chance for rain and thunderstorms, but I wish that it would just stay this nice cloudy weather, which is very good for hiking. And no rain, no thunder, please. The climb to the Roan High Knob wasn't as bad as I imagined it to be. It wasn't as steep, even though it was a long climb. And I still feel quite good and strong, so I just passed the shelter and decided to keep on going until I don't feel like going anymore. Now look what's in here. Easter trail magic. I was kind of sad that I didn't have a Easter egg with me, but now I have one. And it has Milky Way inside.